How to share your Instagram notes on PC. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can open and post your notes on Instagram by using your PC laptop. So whenever we use the Instagram on PC, we simply go on the Google Chrome and search for the Instagram from here. And when we try to post a note, we don't see the option of note right there because the web browser does not have a feature of providing you with the note. So what you can simply do is from the Google Play Store, you don't have a Google Play Store on your PC, so from the Google browser or any preferred browser, you need to search for Instagram right there. After you search for Instagram, you need to install the application on your PC. After you install the application on your PC, it would be pretty simple as you have it on your phone. And after that, you can simply get the PC Instagram and you can go on your message section and then you will see on the top of your profile there is the note option. Now, if this is not visible, then you can update and also renew your Instagram and again log into it. And now you will see the option and you can simply post the notes on PC just like you do on your Android phone or iPhone. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.